Hello student of class 10. Now I am going to explain you linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.7. In first part I will explain you first 5 questions and next part the remaining question I will explain you. Now in the first question, the ages of two friends Annie and the Viju differ by 3 years. Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie and Viju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of the Annie and Viju. Now, let the age of Annie be x years and age of Viju be y years. Now, one format I have formed here, that is Annie's age x years, Viju y years. Now, the first condition has given the ages of two friends Annie and Viju differ by 3 years. So, according to the first condition, x minus y, Annie minus Viju is equal to 3. It is the equation 1 we have got. Now, next is Dharam, who is Annie's father. He is twice as old as Annie. So, it is 2x years. Now, Viju is twice as old as Kathy. So, Kathy is y upon 2, half of Viju. As Viju is twice means Kathy must be half of Viju. So, it is y upon 2 years. So, now, difference of their age, Dharam and Kathy, is 30 years. So, it is 2x minus y upon 2 is equal to 30. Now, you multiply by 2 all 3 terms, it is 4x minus y is equal to 60. It is the second equation. Now, by any of the method we can solve it. By elimination method I solved it. X is equal 19 and y is equal to 16. I am not going through the solution because already you know how to solve the equation. Now, x means Annie's age. So, age of Annie is 19 years and age of Viju is 16 years. Now, next question number 2. One says, give me 100. Friend, I shall then become twice as rich as you. Then, after replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount of their respective capital. Now, let first friends amount be rupees x and the second friends amount be y. As for the first term and condition, first friend what he has told? Give me 100. I shall then become twice as rich as you. So, x plus 100. It is x and it is y. Now, give me 100. So, he will get more 100 rupees. Then, the second one, he is giving 100 rupees. So, it is y minus 100. Now, the condition is the first person is twice as rich as the second person. Clear it? Now, x plus 100 is equal to 2y minus 200. This equation is coming as x minus 2y is equal minus 300. It is the first equation. Now, second condition, as per the second terms and condition, if you give me rupees 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Now, this part you see. X given rupees 10, so minus 10, and y got that rupees 10, so y plus 10. This time their relation is 6 times of first friend money is equal to the second friend's money. So, it is 6x minus 60 is equal to y plus 10, then equation is 6x minus y is equal to 70. So, it is the second equation. Now, these are the two equations. Now, we can solve it. You easily can solve these two equations by any method. I have done by elimination method and eliminated y first, and x is equal to 40, and next substitute this value in equation 1. We have got y is equal to 170. That means the amount of money with the first friend is rupees 40, and the amount of money with the second person is rupees 170. Now, third question is, the train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by the 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Now, the solution. Let the uniform speed of the train be x kilometer and scheduled time be y kilometer. Distance, speed and time we have taken as x and y. Now, then distance is, we know according to the relation between distance, speed and time. So, distance is equal speed into time, we know. So, it is speed into time, that is x into y kilometer. It is the distance. Now, first terms and conditions, if the speed increased by 10 km per hour, so it should be x plus 10 km per hour. Then time taken 2 hours less. Time was y minus 2 hours. Now, distance is speed into time. So, it is x plus 10 into y minus 2. Now, the distance, previously our distance was xy. That is xy is equal to this one. So, okay. This one, when you will multiply it, it will come this. Okay. Now, xy, both sides is cancel. So, it is 0 is equal to minus 2x plus 10y minus 20. So, this equation is, if you multiply it by minus sign, it should be 2x minus 10y plus 20. It is the first equation. Second condition. If the speed slower by 10 km per hour, it is x minus 20. It is slow by 10 km. So, it is x minus 20. Then, the time taken 3 hours more. So, time is y plus 3. Again, distance is equal to speed into time written. So, distance is xy is equal to this one multiply. So, it's this one. Now, 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to 0. It is the second equation. Now, by elimination method, you can solve it by elimination method. We are getting x is equal minus x equal minus 50, x equal to 50. And second, by substitute this value of x, we got y is equal to 12. That means the distance, it is the speed. Speed is 50 km per hour and time is 12 hours. So, distance equal to xy. So, it is 50 into 12, it is 600 km.